Now let's have a look at one more useful tool. Let's open the user panel. Here we have two tools, organization structure and employees database. Let's start from the organization structure. Here are all the employees who perform the control function. As a rule, they are industrial safety department representatives of a contractor or maybe of the customer. There are the people whose responsibility is to control the situation. Here we can also have some management personnel. Generally, these are the people defined by the customer to control the events at the construction site. Here you can see lots of records, and at the top we can see how many people there are in the structure. We have 24 now. Let's see how to add a new executor or controller, so to say. We click on plus and see a board where all fields are obligatory to fill in. They are marked by asterisk. We type in first name and second name, position, telephone number, to have contact details in case of emergency at the site, email at gmail.com, for example, where we'll get any notifications, date of birth, then company name, then we need to choose the role. Here we have three options: customer, contractor, or supervisor. Let's choose contractor in our case. Then we type in login. We recommend to use the same login as in the email. And we type in password. What is important to remember that password can use only Latin letters and one letter should be capital. And we press add. Now we see that this person appears at the top of the list. Now, if you need to see login and password of this person, you see that the password is hidden. So you need to write it down in advance. And if you send it to the employee, he can log in the system. Now let's assume that we don't need this employee. Let's delete him. So we tick him and press delete. Yes. It can be easily done if you made a mistake, but we don't recommend deleting real employees if they quitted, for example, because it is easier for the customer to track the history. People can appear in other projects, return after half a year or a year maybe, shift for adjacent projects. Anyway, it is very useful to save the database and the history.